Hello everyone. Next, take a pink and white color clay and roll them together like this. Now make a shape as shown in the video and make some candies like this. Put the stick and then your candies are ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw a circle on it. Now draw the lines like this and the branches and stems. Now using different color clays or red color clay, we will make some flowers. Now put the lines and put some clay balls like this. The yellow color clay on the top and your lanterns are ready. Next, take a white color paper and then put the white color clay like this and flatten it. Now put the pistachio shells over it like this and arrange them as we are arranging it. Here we are making the flower. Now make some more flowers like this and it's ready. You can color it if you want. Here we have used red color to color it like this and then put some leaves and it's done. Next, take the cuttings of the leaf like this and paste it on the white sheet. Draw the lines on it. Now put the clay balls and flatten it using the spatula or hand like this. Now draw the dots and here we are making the ladybird. Draw its legs and it's ready. Next, take a dry stick and then roll the clay over it. Now paste it. Now put some more sticks. Now paste the cuttings of the leaf. Put the purple color clay like this to make the grapes on it like this. Make some few grapes and it's ready. Next, spread the green color clay like this using the fingers. Now after that, put the white color clay on the top like this. Here we are making the mushrooms. Put the red color clay to make the mushrooms. Put the white color dots over it like this and it's ready. Next, we will take the green color sheets and cut it out like this and then paste it on the white sheet. Draw the lines over it as we are drawing it. Surround it using the white and green color clay and it's ready. Next, we will take a green color paper and make the grasses. Now make the ants using the black color clay balls like this. Make its eyes, draw its legs like this and then make few more as such. Put the fruits over it like this. Make some clouds and it's ready. Next, take the red color clay and then make the lines on the sides of it and then pinch it and make the star out of it. Paste it on the sheet. Now we will make a hot air balloon and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.